behind this success is the unwavering dedication of our team. Their hard work and their commitment to excellence. Together, we've overcome challenges, celebrated milestones, and created a legacy of quality and trust. Each moment, each effort, and every achievement is a step forward in building a brighter future.
Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. Today, we celebrate not just our success, but the hardworking individuals who made it possible. Simula noong unang araw, nakita ko kung paano lumago ang Tapmi. Nakakatuwang maging bahagi ng tagumpay na ito.
Ang pinapalagahan ko dito ay ang samahan namin. Parang pamilya na talaga kami.
Araw-araw ay pagkakataon para matuto at umunlad para sa susunod pa nating 15 years. Gawin nating inspirasyon ang bawat isa upang sama-samang maabot ang ating mga pangarap.
Masaya ako na naging bahagi ng bawat hakbang natin. Lahat ng hirap sulit para sa tagumpay na naabot natin.
Isa sa mga di ko makalimutan ay yung unang company outing natin. Napakasaya ng lahat. At doon ko talaga naramdaman ang samahan natin bilang pamilya.
Ang 15 taon ng Tapmi ay puno ng hamon at tagumpay. Proud ako na naging bahagi ako ng kwento ng paglago natin.
Naalala ko pa nung unang taon natin, maliit pa lang ang opisina at kakaunti pa lang kami. Pero ramdam na ramdam ko na ang pangarap natin para sa Tapmi.
In every corner, a transformation is unfolding. The once quiet spaces are now filled with life, reflecting the spirit of change and growth. Alpha Alianza stands at the forefront of success, where each step is a testament to dedication, innovation, and the unbreakable bond we share. As we push forward, we embrace not only the progress but the joy it brings. With every new chapter, we continue to inspire, uplift, and achieve together. From humble beginnings to remarkable milestones, Alpha Alianza is proof that with teamwork, vision, and heart, anything is possible. Join us as we celebrate these victories, big and small, and look toward the future with excitement and gratitude. The journey has only just begun. At the heart of Top Meat is a team that inspires and drives our success. From the production floor to the offices, every individual contributes to our journey. Their passion, dedication, and teamwork are what make Top Meat a true family and a force in the industry.
Ang bawat hamon na nalampasan natin ay nagsilbing inspirasyon para lalo pa tayong tumagal. Nakaka-proud maging bahagi ng pamilyang ito.
Seeing how far we've come motivates us to aim even higher. The strength of this team is truly inspiring. The journey of 15 years is a testament to the hard work of everyone here. Thank you for making this possible.
As we celebrate 15 years, we take this moment to thank everyone who made this journey possible. To our hardworking team, your dedication has been our foundation. To our loyal customers and partners, your trust drives us forward. Together, we've built not just a company but a family. Here's to many more years of success and growth.
Sa ating lahat, maraming salamat sa iyong dedikasyon. Ang iyong sipag at malasakit ang dahilan ng ating tagumpay.
Looking back, our teamwork has been the foundation of everything. So, here's to more years of success. Cheers!
Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa aming lahat. Happy 15th Anniversary Alpha Alianza.
Ang Top Meat ay higit pa sa isang kumpanya. Ito ay isang tahanan. Thank you, Top Meat! Excited kami sa mga darating pang tagumpay. Thank you, Top Meat!
Thank you, Alpha Alianza. Para sa 15 years sa tagumpay. Salamat, Alpha Alianza, sa inspirasyon at suporta.
Salamat, Alpha Alianza, sa 15 taon ng tagumpay. What's up, Top Meat? Salamat sa pagtitiwala sa amin ang 15 years. Thank you, Top Meat! Thank you, Alpha Alianza, para sa ayos na trabaho. Mula sa R&D Department, salamat sa oportunidad at tiwala. Happy 15th Anniversary, Alpha Alianza! Salamat sa tiwala at samahan. Happy 15 years anniversary, Alpha Alianza! Happy 15th Anniversary, Alpha Alianza! Salamat sa inspirasyon at saya. Thank you, Alpha Alianza! We are proud to be part of it. Mula sa HR Department, salamat sa inspirasyon at suporta. Happy 15th Anniversary, Alpha Alianza! Yay! Mula sa Sales and Marketing, salamat sa 15 taon ng samahan at respeto. Happy 15th Anniversary, Alpha Alianza! Get out!
Thank you for 15 amazing years. Together, we will continue to grow and succeed. Happy anniversary, Alpha Alianza!
Happy 15th anniversary, Alpha Alianza Manufacturing Incorporated.